CRCL stock analysis and price predictions. This is for 21st of July, Monday. Is it a buy? Let's talk about it. Now, generally speaking, as the only person in this space, having done 43,000 videos over 5 years of seeing what's printing and what's not, what's making me money, and I can tell you from first-hand experience, I mean, right after I called out this movement here, here's the proof. You might not think that it's true, but it was like made on, what's the day here? It was 15th of July is when this video was made. 15th of July, the price was 195 at the time, and then only after the price is on this way up to maybe deliver to 300. You know, my break-evens have been settled, so this is risk-free, very beautiful and solid, and mainly risk-free. And look at this thing here, 23 results in the Discord, very sick. Now, other than that, if the price doesn't give me a double break, I'm not buying. If you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy, and there's really nothing else that I'll be adding here. Everything's kind of set in stone, set.